Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a new topic and that is short conductor and insulator by using 547. We see 547 and that is a nothing but only a transistor. Okay, uh, and do you know what is insulator and what is conductors? Conductors are those materials which allow the electricity from them, and insulators are those materials which doesn't allow electricity from them. Okay, so let's try it in practical method. For practical method, we required some components for our circuit. So that components are breadboard, LED, BC548, 547 transistor, resistor, snap connectors, jumper wires, and 9-volt battery. Okay, so here we have a new thing that is BC548 transistor. Okay, so what is transistor? Transistor is a three-terminal device. So basically, the first one is collector terminal, second one is base terminal, and third one is emitter terminals or a terminal. Okay, so there is different type of uses in these transistors. Firstly, we will use these transistor or we use these transistor in amplifiers. Okay, the sound amplifiers. Okay, for switching circuits or sensor based circuits, and also driving the load. It also drive the load of 500 milliamperes. Okay, so right now we are going to discuss how we make a circuit using this 548 transistor to check our material. Either it is a conductor material or a insulator material. Okay, so here the circuit diagram. So in this circuit diagram, what we have a transistor, the resistance, the LED, the 9-volt battery. Okay, so here the first terminal of transistor is connected to the positive terminal of 9-volt battery, and the third terminal of the transistor is directly connected to the first terminal of resistance, and second terminal of resistance is connected to the anode terminal of LED, and the cathode terminal of LED is directly connected to the negative of battery. Okay, so now what we are going to do, and the main thing is the second terminal, that is base. Actually, we called second terminal is base, and the first terminal is also a open circuit terminals. So when we place any conductor and any insulator between this, okay, so it give us acknowledged. Okay, acknowledge, where we get acknowledged, we get acknowledged on LED. Okay, on LED. If our LED glows, okay, if our LED is glowing, it means that is conductor between the two lines, and if doesn't glow, it means that material is a insulator material. Okay, so let's begin our tutorial. So let's try it on Tinkercad software. Okay, so in Tinkercad, firstly we have to click on New Design, and that is Circuit Design. Okay, so in circuit designing, what we have to choose, the first one is, okay, so firstly we choose, after taking a breadboard, you have to take one NPN transistor. Okay, so after the NPN transistor, we take battery, 9-volt battery. Okay, after 9-volt battery, we take a LED. Okay, and a resistor. Okay, so for resistor we have to change its direction. Okay, positive, the first one with positive, the third one with the first terminal of resistance, and The first one terminal of the transistor is connected to the positive terminal of our rail, our breadboard rail, and the third terminal of the transistor is directly connected to the first terminal of resistance, and the second terminal of resistance is directly connected to the anode terminal of LED. So here we change the polarities. Okay, so now this is the anode terminal. So we'll connect anode terminal with this one, and after that the last thing is connect the cathode terminal with negative terminal of battery. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we take two jumper wires and make them open circuit. Okay, with first and second terminal. Okay, so now when we plug these things, positive on positive, negative on negative, and when I place any conductor here, what will happen here? So here, so when we place any conductor here, then our LED in a working mode or give a acknowledge signal. Okay, so when when we place any insulator, so here we don't have any insulator, so actually this is also working as an insulator. Okay, this is a plastic material, so it works as a insulator. So when we start the simulation, yeah, here what we see, so here what we see, our LED, it can't glowing when we have any insulator material. So from this circuit, what we learn, when we place any conductor between these two wires, our LED is in glowing mode, and when we place any insulator between these wires, our LED doesn't glow. Okay, so this is all about the conductor and insulator practical or a circuit. So for other videos, please be continue with us. Okay, thank you.